हो गया ना कि मतलब अगर थोड़ा बहुत लीक करोगे तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हर बार थोड़ी थोड़ी चीटिंग कर लो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, एक मर्डर कर दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, 10 मर्डर करने की जगह एक कर लो ना।
अगर आपको 24 लाख लोगों को रीनीट में नहीं डालना था, आपको क्वालिफाइड 13 लाख बच्चों को नहीं डालना था, आप कम से कम टॉप 2 लाख बच्चों को डाल देते।
यूं करके प्रूफ नहीं है, क्यों नहीं है प्रूफ? टेलीग्राम पर 30-30 हजार में पेपर बिक रहे हैं, आप उसको रोक रहे हो?
No re-NEET for over 20 lakh students. That's the judgment of the Supreme Court. But what does it mean for the students? To simply explain, here's what the Supreme Court judgment said. First, there's no doubt that there's been a paper leak. But the leak has only affected or reached about 155 out of over 24 lakh students. 30 students in Patna and 125 students in Hazaribagh. That is what the CBI's investigation has concluded. Secondly, on the matter of paper leaks, IIT Madras was looped in to analyze the data. It found that there was no mass paper leak and there is no evidence of a systemic breach. Third, there was also a controversial physics question on atoms in which NTA had given 2 correct answers. That is important because over 44 toppers of the undergraduate medical entrance test were awarded grace marks on this question. The Supreme Court had sought advice from IIT Delhi and it concluded that only option 4 is correct, which means that over 4 lakh students will lose 4 marks over this physics question. There would be no grace marks or negative marking for selecting other options. The court also decided going against conducting re-NEET, saying that it will impact more than 20 lakh students. Conducting re-NEET means that the admission schedule will be pushed back. This would affect the course and the timeline of medical education, affecting the availability of medical professionals in the future. Not to disbalance the patient-to-doctor ratio, it decided not to conduct re-NEET. So what does it mean for the students? It means that the counselling and other admission processes for NEET UG will continue, and the Supreme Court said that it will give guidelines for future conduct of exams.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.